Hi guys! Today I'm going to share my new simple strategy that will help you earn $679 on binary options trading. Don't miss my new working trading strategies. Subscribe to this channel to keep up to date with all updates. Your future of success is being shaped here and right now. Please like us and let's take the first step towards the goals together. Are you ready? So come on! I'm an expert in trading, and in this video I will show you how I earn money from trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimal risks, so you can use the strategies that I show and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before operations. The most exciting part of my video is my new strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%. My strategy consists of two key indicators, Keltner channel and CSI. With the help of these indicators, I determine in which direction our chart will go. Everything is simple here. If the line in the indicator intersects with a downward reversal, then this is our downward signal, as well as vice versa. Another indicator shows the general movement of the chart, which will also help us. And now we go to the settings. I will leave everything to the basic settings, and I leave the standard settings for the indicators. Now turn on the candles, set the interval to 1 minute, the transaction time is also 1 minute, and you can start. I start with the amount of $50. It is from this amount that we will leave at $679. We open the BND CNI OTC currency pair and open our first trade for an increase in the amount of $50. Here we observe the intersection of the line in the indicator towards the rise and the general upward movement of the chart. We see how our first deal confidently goes into the plus and the balance is $96. Do you dream of financial independence? Join our trading group and receive signals for successful trades. Let's develop your financial future together. The link to the group in the description. We put the amount of $96 on the second deal, analyze the situation and make a deal for a decrease. There is a general downward movement of the chart, the intersection of lines towards the decline of the chart, and this is our signal to go down. Pocket option is not just a platform, it's my path to success. I feel absolutely confident and secure with this broker. Join my Telegram channel to get a referral link and start your journey to financial independence with us. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we can see, our strategy is working. Our second transaction ends in a plus and our balance is already $184. Yes! And now we are raising our transaction amount by $1,084. And now we are looking for the next situation that suits us. And this time we open a downgrade deal in the amount of $184. In this case, the indicator shows us a decline in the chart, and this is a confident signal to go down. So, the deal is over. The next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance at $353. The last trade will be for an increase in the amount of $353. In this case, the indicator shows us a general upward movement and line crossings towards the rise of the chart. So the deal is over. The next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance at $679. Yes! Our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached $679 from just $50. All our deals were completely successfully closed, which shows the success of the strategies that I showed you. That's all for today, so good luck and good profits to you, everyone! Do you want to increase your income through trading? So join my Telegram channel and use my referral link for pocket option bonuses. Don't miss the opportunity to increase your earnings. If you are interested, please like and subscribe to the channel to receive new signals. See you in the channel Future Crypto Millionaires. Bye bye!